McAvoy Assembly member, South Central. I'm outside another empty house, this time in Barry, the Vale of Glamorgan. Now, the Freedom of Information requests which came back showed that Cardiff is the worst in Wales in terms of using powers to bring houses back to life. What is interesting is that the Vale of Glamorgan didn't even respond. So what I'll be doing is right into the Vale of Glamorgan. I'll be insisting on knowing the figures as to how many long-term empty properties they have. And I'll be writing particularly about this property to make sure that this house is brought back into life and so that a family can be housed here. People all over Wales crying out for housing, and yet there's house after house, thousands, 27,000 at least in Wales. Okay, so we're going to chase up the Vale of Glamorgan and we're going to find out what the figures are. Diolch yn fawr.